WD-40 Specialist Long-Lasting Spray Grease contains WD-40 in a gel format to provide long-lasting lubrication in combination with excellent adhesion and sealing properties to provide protection from water and moisture. It provides corrosion protection for metal surfaces whilst working across a wide range of temperatures, from -20 to +115 degrees C as a grease. The initial low-viscosity spray delivers lubrication where needed, setting quickly to adhere as a lubricating grease, ideal for metal part lubrication and to protect against moisture and water ingress. Automotive applications include lubricating workshop rolling door runners and car door hinges, whilst protecting components from water. With the Smart Straw engaged, product can be targeted to more precise areas, such as cables and vertical fittings. WD-40 Specialist Long-Lasting Spray Grease is designed for automotive maintenance needs and is ideal for metal surfaces. It provides the original WD-40 in a long-lasting gel format, which adheres to help protect surfaces and components from moisture and corrosion. Sprays like WD-40 oil but sticks like a grease. Job done.